Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign a ringtone to contact on your INFINIX Smart 7. So to do this, you have to open the phone dialer at the first. Next you have to move for the contacts, pick one of it, then click on the three dots in the right upper corner and then select Set Ringtone. Right now we can find a list of all default ringtones. If you want to add custom ringtone, you have to select Add Ringtone. Right now we will be moved to the recent files, and to open File Manager, just click on these three lines in the left upper corner, and you can, for example, move smoothly to the downloads. And from this place you can just pick your custom sound, and then you can just go back, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.